Have you ever wondered what a community garden is and why they are becoming increasingly popular? Let's shed some light on that. A community garden is a shared space where people come together to grow a variety of fruits, vegetables, and flowers. They have been sprouting up all around the globe, and for good reason. These gardens offer a bounty of benefits, from fostering social connections, to enhancing local ecosystems, to promoting physical health. Community gardens are not just a trend, they are a lifestyle change that is improving communities all over the world. Community gardens are more than just a place to grow food. They are a place to grow communities. The impact of these gardens is multifold, nurturing not only plants but also people and the environment. Firstly, let's talk about the social impact. Community gardens foster a sense of belonging and camaraderie, often acting as the heart of neighborhoods. They also play a role in reducing crime rates, as they promote active community engagement and vigilance. Moreover, they provide educational opportunities, teaching young and old about the importance of sustainable living and the joys of gardening. Next, the ecological impact. These gardens help reduce our carbon footprint by providing locally grown food. They improve biodiversity by creating habitats for various flora and fauna, and promote sustainable practices by encouraging composting and recycling. Lastly, the health impact. Community gardens promote physical health through gardening activities, mental well-being through therapeutic interactions with nature, and healthy eating habits by providing access to fresh produce. Community gardens are transforming our cities, our communities, and our lives. So, how can you get involved in the community garden movement? Well, there are many ways. You can join a local community garden where you'll get to meet like-minded individuals and cultivate together. If there isn't one nearby, why not start your own? Gather your neighbors, find a suitable plot, and watch as your collective effort blossoms into a vibrant garden. Alternatively, you can support community garden initiatives, either by donating or volunteering. Join the community garden movement and see the transformation in your community and in yourself. Community gardens are more than just a trend. They are a movement towards a more sustainable, healthy, and connected world. They're about cultivating together, growing collectively. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.